Yo, I can fight Saltbaker. I didn't even realize. Did I just fight this? Yo, I can fight Saltbaker now. I can't move for some reason. I'm just gonna. How did I get so many yellow flags? I mean, how? I can't believe I beat this. Well, except for this part. I can fight Saltbaker now. Or Pine Saltbaker. Yo. This is kind of cool. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. No matter it's too late to stop me, you have to stop me now. One more help. I should find this forget. Shame you never told me about the most important secret ingredient. A living soul, which is, well, you suckers are out doing my bidding. I nabbed your little friend here. Her soul is baked into the wonder tart. Cosmic powers of the astral plane will be mine. Covet mine. Yeah. First, I'll take those ingredients and use their heads as serving dishes. I feel like this is better. This is better. Fire. Yo! It's hard. It's hard. No! Fire's messing me up. Yeah, I feel like I actually got the farm. I want to go to map and I actually feel like that's a better idea. And I feel like I should change shot A to be crack shot and shot B. Okay. A dish to die for, Saltbaker. And then Mugman's there now. Because now everything's gonna be easier. Yo, I shouldn't have done that. I'm trying to parry that. Yo, no! I'm super bad at this. This is actually harder than I thought. I'm getting kind of far on this though. But than I thought. I honestly think I could do this, like, if it wasn't for the fire. Yo! Oh my god. I don't want to do this. I actually don't want to do this. Dang it, man. Yo, what is... Oh my... I just wasted that. I forgot I had the super on. End this phase, bro. Oh my god. End this phase. Yo, don't. Please don't spawn on top of me. I literally called it. I said it was gonna spawn on top of me. It's doing too good. Oh my! It's too much. It's too much stuff. I feel like the first phase is kind of. I couldn't have done that one. This is just too much stuff. This is for sure harder than. Yeah, I should change my weapon, my attacks. Now I've already done it and seen how, because I've watched this. I've watched this be done. Yo, yo! This phase should be over. On it. Yo, how many hits get this phase is extremely. I don't know which one's better, this one or this one. Should I do? You know what? Shield power. I'm doing it. Cause then I'll have an extra health. So. Yo, I just didn't even move for that. The fire is so weird to dodge. It's kind of like an awkward thing to dodge. Yo, it's like not even like giving me a chance. Yo, that was an insane dodge. I feel like I don't need it this phase. I don't need shield. Do my super. No, I didn't do super. I can't do super during cut. See, oh my god. I just ruined my entire round. Yo. Just don't lose my super. And no. Okay, I don't need parries. Don't try and do parries. I thought that thing was gonna. Yo! Don't spawn on top of me, please. Yo, it's gonna spawn on. Why is it spawn? Why does it always spawn on top of me? Like, there's no way to, like, I'm trying to dodge it, which is the problem. Bro. Honestly, if this phase could end right now, I'd actually love to have more health on that phase. So that when I beat the phase, I have more health on the final phase. Yo! Light the fire. Oh my god. With fighting this, it's like if everything spawns on top of you. Well, not everything, but you know, a lot of things spawn on top. So I feel like I'm the last person like not beat Saltbaker. I just been doing more challenges. Then that was gonna be amazing. I didn't even need to end that anyway. No! I'm chasing the parries. Honestly, I shouldn't chase parries. Because you build a super meter without doing anything. Might not be fast because I don't have pea sugar on. That dodge was insane though. Please don't pull out the limes. Because they do zigzag frost. My god, if I didn't chase parries, that would have been perfect. Okay, keep on saying. I honestly shouldn't be chasing parries. End the phase! Phase has gotta be ending soon. Wish I could kill the fire. I have shield pal. I didn't know I could dash under that. I wish my EX did like more damage. Yo! 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 I couldn't see anything. Yo. Dang. If I lose here, I'm actually trash. Yo! Yes! I beat the game. I beat the game. Ooh, oh yeah, I gotta do it. Yo! Hey, okay. Hey. I'm Mugman? That was easier than I thought. Thank goodness you're okay. Oh my stars. That dastardly Startbaker. He had us hoodwinked the whole time. God, Zooks, this place is coming down. Let's get out here. Eek. No, my bakery. Serves him right for duping us. But with the bakery destroyed, you're never gonna get that Wonder's Heart chalice. That's okay. If some poor soul has to be sacrificed for me to live again, it just ain't worth it. But mark my words, boys. I'm never gonna stop searching. And in the meantime, if you ever find yourself in the scrape, I'm just one cookie bite away. Besides, who needs that Wonder Tart when they can have 2 new best pals instead? Yo, I'm not gonna talk. This is cool. Community service. I don't even have footage of fighting all these, but you know, I did it. I just didn't do it fast. Yo, that's a boss I just fought. Dollar store magician. And this whale. What is that? I can't even tell what that is. Yo, that boss took me forever. That one? It was too fast. Oh, this one kinda. It was easier not recording as also. Oh, King's Leap. I love it. I haven't even done the King's Admiration yet, though. And that's it. I'm the last person to even finish this. Actually, no, there's still other people that have to finish the game. Yo, this is kind of cool. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. I wish I could, like. And. Cat and Jared Nolan Power. Great game. Great game. Great game. Great game. I like this sped up. I like listening to it sped up, okay? Oh, alto sector. I play drums. I just want to see if there's drums. Please, let me check. I also like trombone, or, yeah. Woodwinds, brass. Oh, I don't. Percussion. But that's actually really cool. I just wanted to record this because I, for some reason, haven't done it yet. So, yeah. Oh my god, to end the video. I was gonna end, but to end it, I have to, it scrolls through the thing if I end it. This might be an awkward ending, but you know, it's gonna speed at the end.